Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. I can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh.
Hello everybody. So let's ignore the appearance, but we have a very exciting video, or at least it's exciting for me. We have the MacBook Air unboxing, not MacBook, oh my god, iPod Air, not iPod. iPad Air 3 unboxing and the Apple Pencil. I have the iPad Air 3 in silver, Wi-Fi 64GB. I've never actually had an iPad before. I've had like tablets over the years, but I thought it was time to get an iPad because I couldn't sync everything with my phone and my Mac, and also I just couldn't understand Android. I couldn't understand Android, I'm not gonna lie to you. So we've got this. I'm very excited to open this. I was tempted to get the iPad Pro, but it was just out of my price range. It's beautiful, but couldn't quite afford it, so we've gone for this one, which I'm very excited about. Let's open it up. How does it? Okay, that was it's got a dent in the box. Oh gosh, why are the dogs barking? Ah, it looks so nice. Okay, I feel like you guys can't really see very well. This is very exciting. I just want to say I haven't actually got a screen protector for it, so no one kill me. So here is the iPad. It's a really nice size, I think. Yeah. Okay, right, let's move that to the side. So we've obviously just got the general Designed by Apple booklet with the instructions, some Apple stickers. Anybody want some Apple stickers? I never use them. And that smells nice. We've just got the charging brick that needs putting together, and obviously the cable. This was the main reason I wanted to get one. I just have so many things in mind for my videos, for my work. So this one doesn't have a pull tab. Okay, I don't know how this... Ah, so it's got a little thing here. Oh, this is so exciting. Designed by Apple California. Again, it's got the instruction manual. It's also got the spare pencil tip, and it's also got this, so you don't have to actually charge it in the iPad. You can charge it using a normal cable, so that's really useful. And then here is the Apple Pencil. Oh my god, it's so nice. It is really nice. So I'm just going to pop that there. And we're going to move this up. And then I just got this case off of eBay. I wanted a white one. I actually originally wanted like a really baby pink, but they were all just hot pink. So I found this one, which I really like. So the case is one of the like magnetic ones. So this actually clips onto the side of the iPad, I think. And it does have a back. You don't have to use the back, I don't think. Anyway, it's just like a frosted clear back. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out of its thing. Oh gosh, watch me drop this. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So here it is. So pretty. I've already got fingerprints on it. So yeah, this is the iPad Air 3. It's a really nice size. Okay, before I like break it, I'm gonna put it in the case. Okay, so here it is in the case. As you can see, it's clear, and this thing magnetics on the inside first, and then you open it up. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, there we go, it's turning on. Unwrap the Apple Pencil. Oh, it does feel really nice. Really heavy. I'm really scared of scratching it. Okay, so we're gonna go through the setup now. Okay, so I know this angle isn't great, but I'm just gonna have to roll with it. Hello. Okay, English. Oh, it's a really nice big screen. I thought it was gonna be smaller than this. This is in comparison to the iPhone. I want to set up manually. While we wait for that, here is the Apple Pencil. I'm sure all of you will have seen this. This is the Generation 1, obviously. So this here comes open so that you can charge it. You can charge it in the bottom of the iPad, or you can connect it using the adapter. And then this is the nib, which unscrews. Okay, let's just continue. I feel like this angle is so bad for you guys, and I'm so sorry. Okay, so while that sets up, I just thought I would say the main reason I've got an iPad is, well, I've been looking at them for a while. Basically, there's this YouTuber I watch, Laura Medley. She got an iPad back in like October or November, I think, and I really liked it. And since then, I've been just like thinking about it, eyeing them up, and eventually I decided I did want one. And going into almost lockdown, we're not quite in lockdown yet, we will be, I thought having an iPad would be a really great way for me to stay productive and improve the quality of my videos, my college work, because I still have to do my college work. So that is why I have got one. Okay. So yeah, I'm very excited to get all of this sorted. I've never actually ordered from Apple before, so that's quite exciting. Literally ignore my hair. This is like non-brushed hair. I feel like I shouldn't have filmed myself because I look a mess, but we're getting into it. I'm just going to set up Apple Pay and then I shall be back. A few apps I want that I need to buy. So I'm going to be buying Procreate and GoodNotes. Everybody knows, yes, I finished college in May, but I'm going to be continuing to use it after that. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? This is messing up my laptop and my phone. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Off. Okay, so we now have it set up. Like, I don't like any of these, so let's just do this for now. Okay, let's set up the Apple Pencil. Pair. And my Apple Pencil is connected. Okay, that's cool, that was easy. Okay, half this stuff I'm going to have to delete because I'm not going to want it. But the first thing I'm going to do is go to the App Store. Okay, so GoodNotes is downloading. And then the next thing I want is Procreate. Okay, so it's been a few days now. It's currently Wednesday. So I got this on Monday. So I've had it a couple days now. And today this actually arrived. This is my pencil case. So I just got this like grey leather, and basically it just opens at the top and it stores the pencil. So that is just like a really good thing, because I was just leaving it around and just hoping, because not all the time I was using the Apple Pencil, so it's good to have somewhere to actually keep it safe. And this is really handy. It just straps over the top of that, so if you're just transporting it around, you've got a really good way of just keeping it there, and it fits really well. So I really like this. This was only a few pounds, again, off of eBay, same as the case. Just thought I would go into depth because I never really finished this video off about how I've been finding this. So really love the case. I love that it's white, kind of probably going to ruin it very quickly. I also love how it's clear on the back. It just feels very smooth. It's very lightweight. Really, really like it. So I got everything sorted. And I've kind of sorted out all of the apps that I have. So if I'm going to come forwards and show you because I don't know how else to do this. Okay, so this is what I have on like my main screen. This is all organised. So I've got settings, App Store, contacts, whoops. There's that. And I've just kind of arranged everything to how I need and put my most used apps down the bottom. So the way I've been using this, I've just kind of been playing around with Procreate, trying to figure out how to use it. So yeah, I've just been making different things, testing out different things, just kind of getting to grips with how it actually works, seeing if I can make an intro. But this is what I've really been liking. My favourite brush is in inking, and it's Studio Pen. I just like doing a bit of writing. Anyway, that's just obviously very brief, but that's what I've been doing. I've also been using GoodNotes. I've been writing up every single one of my thingies for college, and I've been filling it in with photos that I need. I've really been liking GoodNotes. Actually, I've also made a to-do list, which I've been filling in every day, which I need to tick off actually. What do I need to do? I've cleaned the house. And I've walked the dogs. So yeah, there's that. That's basically the main things I have been using it for. Overall, so far, I'm not regretting buying it. I'm really loving it. It's been such a useful thing, and I've only edited one video with it. Like, not edited my video, but I've added in all the extras. It did take a long time, firstly because I was still getting to grips with it, but also because I was adding in lots of extras, so it was obviously going to take a while because it's all undone, it's all done by me, but really been loving it, really been loving it. It's proving to be great, and I'm so glad I got this for this time because I've got so much time at home to film and edit, do my college work, so this is just honestly going to be so useful. So I am very happy with that purchase. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. I don't really know what it has become. Yeah, I was just giving my little review of my iPad. I'm very happy with it, and I wish I had an iPad sooner because I have never had one. Very pleased with it. And yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon, very soon, with another video. Bye!
I can't breathe without your